So here's another present I was working on for Christmas, and this one's for another daughter who is really into jewelry, and she's got a lot of chapstick containers and things that she likes to collect. So I thought I'd make her a little music jewelry box, and so you can see, it likes to close. Anyway, under here you can kind of see the guts of it. It's a Parallax Propeller board with, you can see I have a speaker connected. There's a PAM8302 amplifier from Adafruit, PowerBoost 1000 module from Adafruit for charging the battery. What else is there? I've got a Neopixel display hooked up and a little micro switch. So basically, let me see if I can connect this back in. So basically what happens is when this is closed, I have the propeller turned on. So when you open this, the micro switch activates the music portion, and so you have kind of a neat little effect with the Neopixels around the outside of the display.
I really hope I can do it.
Usually this sits down a little more, but anyway, that's kind of the gist of what it is. When you close it, it goes off, and then it should randomize the song when you reopen it. Fury. So I loaded a bunch of songs onto the SD card. And then so here I still have a little cutout for the charge port, and then SD card, and on-off switch, obviously. So yeah, that's the project. Anyway, hope you like it. Thanks.